Hey, Dave Parrish at Knack Builders doing another Knack functionality gig here. If you watch my videos, you know I'm doing a work retreat in Mexico City. It's really nice here today. I'm on the rooftop of a co-working space and thought I'd do a video. But regardless, today's topic, do an equation that counts only work days. Actually, I have a long list of video topics, but this just came up the other day. I had a client that we were counting a span it took to do something, start to finish. And that span was just a regular equation, doing the finish date minus the start date, and gave us a number. And then they came to me and said, you know what, we don't want to include weekends on that, just work days. And then I didn't know how to do that. This is going to be a simple video, but what I did is just post on a community, Knack community forum, that question. Actually, I didn't even think of doing it to the support direct, and that's something I might even do another video on. They've upgraded that whole system. I mean, you can always do support, and depending on what's their volume of tickets, you may get responded to right away or not. But I posted it, and Steve Palmer from Knack answered right away. It's a simple solution, but yeah, their community thing's pretty good. So I'll be right back, and I'll show you how this works. It won't take long at all, and it's very useful. Thanks. Okay, here to talk about an equation that you give a date span to it, and it only counts the work days in there. Again, I mentioned how the Knack forum can be useful to getting questions asked. You could just post it in the help section, and not only do Knack folks watch it, but there's tons of builders, other builders like me, that watch it, and they builders can contribute in helping you out too, so that can be a good way. But regardless, Steve from Knack just said, hey Dave, go to this. I'll provide the community forum, how to get sign up for that, and this document too. This is a document that says, hey, here's a bunch of stuff you can do with equations. And down at the bottom of this one, there's something called net work days, and get the number of working business days between two dates. This is just a typical function, just like a sum. You have sum, parentheses, 2 cells, 3 cells, or a span of cells, gives you the value. In this case, you put in, I think you start with the starting date and then the ending date. And it just, however it knows, and then it results in it. I'm going to show you that in practice for my use case. Let me grab, here's the thing I was working on. We did have in their case, it's when this project, they do auditing on some medical stuff, so they check out various stuff and see. They're hired to do that, so they want to tell their clients how long it takes them to do that. This is when it was assigned to someone to start checking out. That's a date, and then there's a completed date, and we had that as I think they called it aging, but that was just completed date minus that. Now that gives us every date, including the non-work days. So down at the bottom, I'm not going to deal with these other ones, but right here, it's full span. That means start to finish. They have this other aspect where a case could be on hold, and they wanted that not included either, so there was another equation, but that's not the point here. This is it. It's that simple. Net work days, assign date, comma, completion date. That cranks out. Very simple, the dates, or the number of days, not including work days. Now, I'm not sure, I need to check into this, if that includes holidays. Now that gets a little weirder, I guess. I do apps in lots of different countries, and those holidays would change. I doubt if it deals with that, but I'm not sure. But for the obviously use cases, at least in the U.S., or if it's not dealing with holidays, any place, that will do it. It is that simple. Hope that helps. Again, thank you, Steve, for pointing me that. I think that posting it on the forum took an answer less than 10 minutes. So my client's very happy with it. Thank you.